on, people, let's go. Time for the Maxwell family vacation.
Hey, Dad, you almost forgot my fishing pole.
Well, we wouldn't want to forget that, would we?
No way. There's some trout swimming around with my name on them.
We are talking about jobs, health insurance, low-cost housing. What else could you possibly want?
I can't believe you turned down the deal.
I can't believe I even considered it. I'm considering reporting it to the DA's office.
Excuse me, you know where I can find maybe a place to sleep, a shelter or something?
There used to be one at the old church, down the street on the left-hand side.
Thanks.
How did you become like this?
Oh, I inherited this house.
That's not what I mean. How did you become this way?
Congratulations on your new CD.
Thank you so much. I cannot wait to get into the studio again.
I bet. We'll talk to you later.
All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? First of all, let's hear it for our new mayor, Virginia Page.